Those two birds are having a fight. It should be. Bird over there on that top of the pin of the house. So about there. Back to the birdies. Henry. Oh, one of them's coming over. It might be a bird fight. He flew away. Where's he gone? Oh, he's up there. See? Right there. Oh my god, it's like stadium. I'll show you where pigeons are. Pigeon there. And a pigeon. Oh, there goes a pigeon. Hi pigeon, and then another pigeon there. I don't click enough for it. I think she's getting ready to fly. Fly, you darn thing. There you go. She's on that roof with another pigeon. There's a pigeon right there. Pigeon. No truth, guys. Is it gonna be like Final Destination? Oh, it's a bird. That pigeon is watching. And there is a pigeon in the tree. It's a 4-pigeon stare off. Oh, and the pigeon's back down and he's flying. Oh my god, he went right with me. Birds flying everywhere. What is that? It's a car. Oh my gosh, there goes the pigeons. Oh my gosh. 2 pigeons. What is it doing? she's going to there. There's some commotion. But look up there. Whee! Did you just see that? There's birdies up there. Okay guys. There are birdies up there. Ooh, that's so high. I nearly fell. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is bird poo. Yes. So we just look up. I think if we lean out that window, then we should be able to see things better. No one saw nothing. We're studying the birds. Mum and Dad are gone, so we can't check on our birds. Oh, pigeons. It's too dark in here. Right. And yes, it is Thomas the Tank Engine. It's my brother's room. It's really, oh my gosh. We have bird trios here. Oh, that's nice. It's like the planes. Oh yes, speaking of planes. Tomorrow we're going to a plane site in, what the hell? In Cardiff. And I might be able to take my tab here so I can film it. Let's tab this so I can film it. What is that? Well then. There's another one. This is... Oh my gosh. Did anyone just see that? I'm so scared right now. I just saw Brendan Logan and... Help me. Okay. Wait, that is Brendan Logan. Dude. Tristan. Oh my god. This is weird. Tristan doing like making those noises again, and there goes Brendan Logan. The poo. That was weird. Okay. Now I'm not gonna go to the toilet. Remember what I said about hanging out the window? Shut the toilet. Hey, we could have got a better view from here, I guess. Very nice, Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye guys.